One of the only few issues I've had with my 92 Cavalier wagon since buying it is a rather aggressive vibration at idle and particularly in reverse. It didn't take much looking around to spot the issue. This motor mount is dry rotted and completely broken. Apparently this is a very common issue, as the one in my parts car was even worse. I started with the car on ramps and placed slight pressure on the oil pan with a bottle jack to take load off the mounts. The next step is to remove these two long bolts holding the mount to the engine bracket. These can be accessed easily with a 13mm socket and an extension. The next two bolts to remove are on the side, also 13mm. The last 13mm bolt you need to remove secures the mount to the bottom of the frame rail. It can help to remove the plastic cover near the wheel. After removing it, the motor mount can be removed. Comparing the old mount to the new one, you can see how blown out it was. After getting the new mount in place, you can thread in the two side bolts, but don't tighten them yet. Thread in the two long bolts holding the engine to the mount. Adjust your jack as necessary to line the holes up. Make sure to install the lower mounting bolt. Starting with the two long front bolts, torque all 5 to 40 foot-pounds. Reinstall the plastic cover if you removed it. And as you can see back in the car, the vibration is gone and everything is nice and smooth. Hopefully this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.